Hi everybody, welcome back to 3 Bricks Higher. My name is Domin, and in this video here we are going to show you a preventative measure that you should take before you go out and tackle anything around your house for the spring cleaning. Pressure washing, cleaning eaves, anything like that. Guys, I've done this year after year and I've always had good results, and I expected good results for this video. But guys, I've never in my wildest dreams thought I was fixing to show you what you're fixing to see right now. Now guys, when I purchased my house, the gentleman who did the home inspection, he asked me had I ever lived in a house with vinyl siding before. And since I hadn't, he passed along a tip to me that I've used year after year, and now I'm going to pass it along to you.
He walked me around the house and he showed me empty wasp nests. Then he showed me the gaps and the holes in vinyl siding, down the side and especially around the top. These paper walls, they all like to huddle together, and they hibernate throughout the wintertime, and they find the warmest place possible, and that's at the very top of your house. Now guys, it does not matter what the box says it kills. As long as it contains pyrethrin, you're going to kill flying, stinging critters. Now you're going to want to turn your heater off, and these bombs are extremely easy to set off. You just pop the cap, and then push that button down, and you are in the money. Now, I'm just showing you how to do it. Wait till you get inside of your attic before you pop these things off. You really only need one, but I'm using two because I hate these bastards. Now, the reason why you're putting this inside of your attic, guys, is just to make sure when you go outside and handle your business, they're not coming back inside of your home and giving you a hard time. Now, you want to tape one of those bombs around a long stick or pole. I'm using about a 15 or 20 foot bamboo stick, and pop the cap, shake that thing up real good, and let's get down to business. Now, it is 55 degrees outside right now. Typically, it's too cold for these guys to fly, but nonetheless, you'll have some stragglers hanging around the top of that metal roof, or even shingled roof, and it'll warm those wings up just enough where they can come out and pop you. So I'm going to use this big long stick instead of a ladder. Now, you want to make sure you get every crack and crevice. That fog will penetrate, guys, I promise you. And you want to make sure you get the top of the cap, too. You'll see that in just a second. There it is. And then, I know you saw the residue on the side of that vinyl siding. Actually, it's your friend, because that residue will get inside of those cracks and crevices. It'll stay there, and that's poison. And while it's in the dark, it'll stay for 30 days. And anything on the outside of your vinyl siding, you're going to pressure wash it anyway, and that'll come right off. So after about 20 minutes, you're going to start seeing results. You're going to see them start coming out. They're not going to be real happy because they are dying. So, man, I'm loving this right here. Now, you might want to spend some time inside of your house. Also, make sure not to turn your air conditioner on for 2 hours after you pop that off in your attic. I forgot to mention that earlier. So, this right here, they're starting to come out. They're not happy, but I am. So when they start doing that, guys, you want to make sure you are in the house, don't have any youngins or pets outside, because as these guys die, they will sting anything that they come in contact with. Guys, this right here is after an hour, and you can see this is just nothing but an exodus. They are trying to leave as fast as they can, but they're dying. Every one of these guys are dying, and I'm loving it. I will not have to deal with these guys in the springtime in my yard. All the flying, stinging critters, I've just reduced that number. And you can too if you use this method, guys. Now I'm just going to sit back and let you see what I got to show you. Could you imagine being on top of that roof trying to pressure wash that green off the side of this house? Not me, man. I've done this every year, guys, and I've had great results. This is over the top results. I don't know where these cats came from, but nonetheless, I don't have to worry about them. Now I feel safe climbing on top of my roof and pressure washing. My whole house is going to look great, and I will not have to deal with these guys in the yard in the spring around kids or animals.
Hope you found this video helpful. On this channel, we actually have some other at-home pest control methods that you can try for yourself. I'll include those links down in the description down below. Again, guys, my name's Domin. This is channel 3 Bricks Higher. We post videos on that about every 2 to 3 weeks, and we hope you check back. We'll catch y'all later.